Alright. We just got like a windstorm. It started raining and then it stopped. Woo! And it got freaking, like, oh my gosh.
Like all the wind's blowing to our faces.
Everything's flying. Look at the pool! This kind of reminds me of Into the Storm in the beginning of the movie. It's all windy. And then giant hail start dropping. It's just open. Ugh. Look at that mega cloud.
And that cloud's like almost above us.
No, the rain's coming in. Oh my gosh. And there's raindrops on the phone.
Yeah.
Oh, see that mega cloud coming? Look on the camera. That's what it really looks like. Oh no, it's really close. It's raining now! The thing. Oh my gosh, the wind's freaking out today.
There are protection goggles.
No.
Yeah, so it doesn't get in our eyes. Rain hurts when it gets in your eyes.
I'm not gonna put on mine.
What?
I'm not gonna put on mine.
Why?
Cause it's like, Sloane, that's very funny, but no, it wouldn't really get in your thing. Something just broke.
I don't know what's gonna happen next to us.
Oh, it's so close. Whoa. Where are my grandma's water shoes here?
Maybe she left them here.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we're about to have a seriously crazy rainstorm.
I bet we are.
Okay, we'll record when we find it.
Yeah.
Right, I'm hiding under the trampoline. Whoa. Oh, the cushion fell off the chair. Whoa! Oh. Whoa. That was an accident, sorry. Oh. You can't see it on the camera though. Oh, there's rain's dropping on the floor and it's getting inside. It's crazy windstorm. And then now it's gonna be rainstorm. And as you can see, I'm all geared up, ready. Gotta put on this jacket when I'm ready. Pretty decent. Yeah. Alright, bye.